Hi.
Hi.
So you used to be in construction?
Yes, I did.
You have no idea.
About what?
My fantasy. You in a plaid shirt, maybe a hard hat, maybe even a tool belt perched. Never mind.
So, what's wrong with me in a suit and a tie?
Nothing. You look great in a suit. You look great in a hospital gown. It's just I think you'd look fabulous in work clothes. Anyway, how's your leg with the cast not being on it?
In need of exercise.
What do you have in mind?
I thought 3 miles around the reservoir would be nice.
Are you kidding me? You want to run?
Yes, I want to run.
No, out of the question. You have to work yourself up to
I am in
hefty
dire
because
need of stretching.
See, I knew I was right about you in construction. I knew you were too physical to sit behind a desk.
How is everything here? Need anything else?
No, we're good. Thank you. Just check.
You got it.
My, what quick service. Thank you. No.
Let me get
Now,
half.
consider this a consultation fee for the wonderful advice you gave me on my occupation and my clothing. I appreciate that. You gave me a lot to think about. Let's go.